Hey guys, welcome back. Now that you guys have a pretty good understanding of formulas, I'm going to show you what's called an AutoSum function. Now, with what you know so far, if you wanted to add these numbers, you would go this one, let me get my drawing tool, this one plus this one plus this one, and that would take you a really long time to get the total of all these values. So Excel has this function called the AutoSum function. All right, and what that does is instead of going this plus this plus this, okay, Excel and the AutoSum function will say in this range of cells, add all the numbers together. And what you're left with is a formula that's a lot simpler, a lot cleaner, and a lot less elements that you have to deal with. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. First thing you want to do is select the range that you want to add together. So it's this entire column here. We want to add all these values together. And what you want to do is go to the Home menu tab, and all the way to the right in the editing section, you're going to see this button, the AutoSum function. So press that, and what it's going to do is it's going to calculate the total and place it in the next available slot over here. All right, so let's do that now. Let me press AutoSum. And there you go, 37. Now if we check, we can highlight here. And if we look down here to the toolbar, right, we have sum 37, which gives us, it's a quick way of doing a quick check. So that's correct. We'll do that one more time for the second strike. We'll highlight all these, right? Top right button, AutoSum, like so. And there you have it. And that's how you do AutoSum. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys soon.